morning guys. Today is our third day dito sa Greece and yeah, same clothes. Kasi sinuot ko lang to kagabi and then morning now, wala pa kami shower. We're just gonna go out and have a quick breakfast.
You come from outer space, and I was sprung out from the earth. We laid down face to face to witness our rebirth, and I'm not leaving while you're breathing. I won't run away. They say it won't last, you move along, but we're moving too fast. I know they're wrong, 'cause we are like invisible light in the dark, and there's an endless road.
Hello guys. Katatapos lang namin mag-breakfast at sobrang init sa labas guys. It is around 36 degrees right now. Tapos wala talagang hangin. So we've decided to just go back in the room and relax. And yeah, si Martin magsiswimming ata. Pero ako medyo mamaya na konti. Yeah. Sobrang ganda dito sa guys. Sobrang ganda dito sa Greece. As in, feeling mo nasa Pinas ka lang talaga. And to think about it, it's just 3 hours away from Denmark. Tapos, yung mga tao dito, generally speaking, mababait at very, alam mo yun, parang nag-high lagi, ganyan. And then, yung pagkain nila masarap din. So, yeah, I'm enjoying it. So, it's our third day dito sa Greece. And then, we're gonna be flying back mga Friday na next week. And today is Saturday. So, yun, enjoy namin before we're gonna go back to Denmark and start working again. And so far, I'm really enjoying it. And, yeah, just so happy being here. Hello guys, magsiswimming na naman kami and I'm telling you, sobrang init na talaga. It is 36 degrees here at sobrang warm. Pero I'm not complaining, it's so nice. And there, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung view namin every morning. Nice. And then, so warm and everybody wanna go to the beach. I'll go there tomorrow morning because it's too warm. Relax na muna tayo. It's so nice. Pakita ko sa inyo yung view ko guys. It's so pretty. There. Sunny sunshine. Clear sky. The tree. Perfect.
I spent so long just wondering. For years I was adrift, directionless and wayward, lost like a swallow on a cliff. But slowly I found purpose and my life became more clear. I found my destination, yeah, but now where do I go from here? 'Cause I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I'm already there, I'm already everywhere. I've got